Hello students, hope so you all are fine. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is mole concept. This topic basically you have done in 9th standard also as well, but in 11th standard this is the most important topic. So today we are going to revise this topic again. Our topic is mole concept. First of all, what is mole? It is amount of a substance which contains the same number of constant particles as are the same number of atoms present in 0.012 kg of carbon-12 isotope. According to IUPAC is the standard we use for a standard reference. That according to this value only 0.012 kg of carbon-12 isotope. This is important. Carbon-12 isotope. This is in SI unit. 0.012 in SI unit. According to IUPAC, that according to this reference only we use the mole concept. What is that? Again, see, it is amount of substance which contains the same number of constituent particles. Over here, particles refers to Avogadro's number. Or we can represent it by Na or N0. Both are same. What is the value? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Right? This is the value of Avogadro's number. So we can say that in 1 mole how many particles are there? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 according to the reference of 0.012 kg of carbon-12 isotope. So please remember this definition as it is important, and with this only we can start our next topic. So one basically thing I want to tell you that first of all, what are atoms and molecules? In atoms, like example I am taking carbon, O2, Na, magnesium, chlorine. So here in this, which is atom and which one is molecule? Sometimes face problem in this. See, the carbon only independent exists. This is the atom. In this O2 has 2 atoms. This is a molecule. Right? Na, this is also an atom. If Na is present in Na positive, then we call it ion. Mg is also atom. If it's present in ion form, Mg is also ion. Cl2, this is also a molecule. As you know that alone Cl can't exist. So 2 atoms of chlorine are there, that forms a molecule, that is Cl2. So this is the examples of atoms, molecules, and ion also we can see, and this is the molecules. So we have seen that carbon has 1 atom. If 2 carbons are there, then 2 atoms. If n number of carbons are there, then there are n atoms. Right? So according to the definition of mole, we have done that 1 atom of carbon consists of 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Right? And one more thing I will tell you that 1 mole of gaseous atom consists of 22.4 liter according to SI or 22.4 ml. This is the 1 mole of gaseous atom in which we are doing of liter or milliliter. Now I want to give you one example. See, example of water. We are writing 2 moles of H2 plus 1 O2 give rise to 2 moles of H2O. Okay, this is hydrogen, oxygen and water. Mass, molecules, moles and volume. right? What is the mass of hydrogen? We know hydrogen has one atom of hydrogen is 1 over there. 4 gram is the solid 4 gram. Oxygen one atom has 16. So here 32 gram and this is 36 gram. According to the law of conservation of mass, we write 2 gram plus 4 gram, that is equal to 6 gram of water. Now, according to molecules, how many molecules are there? 2 molecules are there. For molecules and moles, we see this number, this 2, 1 and this 2. The number before this compound, right? So molecules, how many molecules are there? 2 molecules are there. Oxygen also 1 molecule. See, we see now H2 has 1, this is 1 molecule. If I write over here 2 molecules, then this will become also 2 molecules, right? So H2 has 2 molecules, O2 has 1 molecule and water also has 2 molecules. And according to moles, same for moles are there. How many moles H2 has? 2 moles. And oxygen 1 mole. And H2O has 2 moles as well. Right? Now I talk about volume. See, for 1 mole, the volume is 22.4 liter. Right? For 2 moles, how many will be there? 44.8 liter. For 1 mole of oxygen also has 22.4 liter. For 2 mole of H2O, we has 44.8 liter of volume. So please write this in your notebooks, and this is important. And what is the mass, molecules, moles, and volume? With this only, you will came to understand that what is the mass, molecules, and moles and volume we have to write. This is the mass of H2O. O2, it has 2 gram, water 36 gram. What are the molecules and moles? So molecules and moles, these are the both susceptible to these numbers. 2 molecules as well as it has 2 moles. Oxygen has 1 molecule and 1 mole. 2H2O has 2 molecules and 2 moles. And for volume, 1 mole has 2.4 liter. So 2 moles of H2O. If I talk about in gaseous, then only I can write 44.8 liter of 2 moles of H2, 22.4 liter of oxygen and 2 moles of H2, 44.8 liter. If any compound is written for sodium, yes, sodium, but it is in solid. Over here we can't write off this volume because it is solid. Volume is always of gaseous atom. So before this I wrote that 1 mole of gaseous atom. That gaseous is important. In solid we can't write volume. Of gaseous only it has volume, right? That is 22.4 liter. If in ml you are writing, that is 22,400 ml, right? So please see that. So now I'm giving you. So now I'm going to give you some of the formulas to find number of moles if mass is given, volume, or number of particles. So formulas I'm going to give you to find a number of moles. First formula, number of moles is equals to given mass upon molar mass. Second, number of moles is equals to volume of substance upon given volume. Volume at HTP we have to write. Our third formula is number of moles is equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. Avogadro, Na you can add or N more. Right, so these are some of the formulas. If we given mass is given or molar mass you know, then we can find number of moles. Same for these two, that number of particles are given, and then you know the value of that 600 total is for 23. From that you can find a number of moles. So one question I am going to give you. Find the number of moles of 16 gram of O2. So we have to find number of moles, we have to find mass is given, that is 16 gram, and what is the molar mass of O2? 16 plus 16, that is 32 gram. So we are using the first formula, that is number of moles is equals to given mass is 16 gram, molar mass that is 32 gram. So by cutting we came to know that is 0.5 moles. Right? Same you can do this two questions also of this. So this is the easy topic of our this chapter, which is important too. So please try this chapter and